Based on information from confidential sources, a woman in her 50s named Lakshmi Rani Devnath of Golbazar area of Agartala was arrested by the police from Chakmaghat area under Telemura police station with a large quantity of illegal drugs.
The fact that a section of drug traffickers are using women in various ways to bring drugs into the veins of Tripura state has been proved once again in Telemura. Based on information from confidential sources, a woman in her 50s named Lakshmi Rani Devnath of Golbazar area of Agartala was arrested by the police from Chakmaghat area under Telemura police station with a large quantity of illegal drugs. Giving details of the incident, Telemura's Divisional Police Officer Prashantkanti Tripura claimed that based on information from confidential sources, the police of Telemura Police Station came to the Chakmaghat area when the concerned woman came to the area and when she was roaming suspiciously. The police detained her and searched her as per rule. The woman is in possession of a large amount of illegal drugs. According to the police, the drugs with an estimated market value of Rs 25,000 have been seized. The police also managed to arrest the woman. The police officers of the sub-division has claimed that an attempt will be made to bring forward the whole issue of who is involved in the incident by accepting a case against the detained woman.
Tini buri Khorang drugs phana phemani Agartala boni mongong kalokhi damnat 50 bochor boni boyos Chini thani khob thaika je aro tuimodu bazaro bo phayei drugs rok phalpayo ka khoboro jeng Nasom Baikatini, Nasom Manipore Bononuka, Setnogo, Sondeho, Jonobabe, Imtan Kaitomo, Loke Bonoko, Roximanibo, Judas, Guineco military, Gai Ulachang Bono Casaway, Bono Sars Kaineka, Gai Sars Kaigankai, Binaro, 73 brown sugar Kotamanka, Abo Uzon point 90 gram. 90 গ্রাম গায় বাজার মূল্য প্রায় 21900 টাকা প্লাই আবো जों बनो एरेस्ट खालायगा गाय दाव एनडीपीएस एक्ट जों बिनि एगेन्स्ट केस दानाय
Reported by Hiranmoy from Telemura, Chini Khorang.